In Yeeflow, business teams can turn a simple request into a visual dashboard with Copilot Canvas. Let's walk through a quick demo to see how to create dashboards with Yeeflow Copilot Canvas. First, go to the Copilot settings. In the Copilot Overview tab, find the AI Capabilities section and enable Canvas, allowing Copilot to generate structured pages and dashboard outputs. Once Canvas is enabled, in the Copilot input box, the Tools option will appear. Click Tools and select Canvas to confirm that the Canvas capability is now activated inside Copilot. Then, publish the Copilot. Now, inside the app, select Canvas from Copilot Tools and describe the partner management dashboard you want in one sentence. Canvas automatically generates the page code, turning the business request into a runnable dashboard structure. Click Preview to see the generated dashboard, including key metrics, partner type distribution, and a filterable recent partners table. Once the result looks right, save it directly as a dashboard inside the Yeeflow app. Yeeflow Copilot Canvas turns business intent into operational dashboards.